Welcome back to the WickerShire project. Today we're going to go over how we're gardening here in this very rocky clay soil. We had to think of something to do in order to break ground and get things growing here at the Shire. So I've been working on a simple method. If you have terrible soil, this method is a great way to get into gardening if your soil is completely unworkable. What we're dealing with here is a lot of clay, and there is a layer of topsoil that's probably about 1 centimeter thick. We're going to dig this out using a pickaxe. We'll amend those rows with better soil. These are approximately 6 inches wide by 6 feet long. The soil as poor as it is, but we definitely are going to need to condition it. To amend our soil, we picked up some Scott's Topsoil Lawn Garden Soil Conditioner. This is pretty heavy in organic matter, contains sphagnum peat moss, leaves, crushed up sticks. It's not soil, this is a soil conditioner, and that's what we need. So what we'll do with all this extra soil is we'll mend it in and we'll fix all that. Again, these are about 4 to 6 inches down and they're about half filled. We're also starting our food forest. We picked up Red Delicious Apple and Red Haven Peach. Yeah, that's a good sign for the apple tree. So hopefully in the next 3 years we'll see some fruiting maybe. Yeah, looking forward to it. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below if you want to say hi, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.